Check it out. Let's gotta get this Sony remote. Honest to pitch. What the heck? Oh my god. I can't believe it. Who just turned on the TV? Wait, it's that fart? One day he was fighting to say but Oren turned on the TV. 2 hours later. What has happened? Check out again new templates, file in TRB, and this is on to pick. Let me reset. Big snow. Wait a second. Who pulled the fire line templates TRP? He pulled the fire line. Good job, Oren. You're ungrounded. You just pulled the fire line. Yes. It's just the radio springs. Why is lightning making cars? Two. Why say do not hit the catches? And why is cars gotta go underwater? Oh my god. I just love a radio springs. Come on, yeah. I'll be right back. Wow, my god. I can't believe it. You just pulled the fire line. I can't believe it. Just pulled this fire line. The SpongeBob SquarePants. Be right back. Oh, bruh. Why is BLU? What the heck? Who pulled the fire line? 2 hours later. I just can't believe it just pulled a fire. Well, actually, I'm just really good person. Why is lighting back when you say cut chow? And then, why is radio springs? Why is chick kicks? How's it gonna underwater say decline?